die.
This thing is sick though. Dude, I like the way the truck like that. It gives it an aggressive look.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Wait till you see it on it. Why the hell is this dead?
Are these for drifting?
Yeah, there's foam tire. No, there's not speed runs.
Speed runs. Yeah. Nice. Apparently this one is a bad diff. I didn't even know they had like diffs like this inside of them.
I have all rod ends, all spares.
Dude, this is serious. You go ham with this.
Let's see. I have
and these are
my aluminum shock caps. Did you see the shock caps? Yeah. Oh, his is not aluminum.
So I guess
Truck.
this
hobby is serious. Look, see the rods.
So in turn, like, you can really go crazy and build something serious.
Oh, they race these things professionally in Japan. There you go.
So let me get this thing to focus. There it is. Hold on. So this thing
Plugs into.
This is the computer of it.
Yeah.
This is a real car.
Oh, it has full diagnostic live telemetry and everything. I can check everything. That's why I need the laptop. That's why I was asking for the laptop. Yeah, it has full live telemetry. And that's just.
Dude, look at the detail on this thing. Look at the axles. Look at this thing.
I have the USB cable for it. I might have fried this thing again.
What do these run for? With these cars?
These two setups are like $200, but I got the aluminum transmission casing.
I'm assuming you can upgrade all of this stuff.
That's all upgraded.
Oh.
Regular is plastic. This is all aluminum.
Aluminum. Oh, the gears too?
Yeah, everything's. This is not. This is aluminum, but this is just regular. I think it's just hot and steel. I think this thing fucking broke again. It's not turning on. We might have to bring it over.
Oh, bummer. I wanted to see this thing go.
Yeah.
That's crazy though.
The battery's supposed to be on. I was playing with it the other day.
Oh, there it is.
Word. Hold on.
Is that the engine making the noise?
That's the fan and everything.
Yeah, that noise. What's that?
Oh, that's my speed control telling me you're ready to fuck shit up. I put this battery up there. See, I got two fans. This fan and this fan.
That fan. What does the whole cart go for?
I spent over $2,300 on this.
$2,300?
Yes, sir. I have all the receipt too, which is crazy. Because there's a lower chassis.
Ooh, look at this thing.
A lower chassis and everything. It's not like the crawler. This is just straight. This has a locking diff too. It has a spool in it.
Dude, look at the stance on that truck though.
Yeah, I lined it and everything.
Yeah. Oh.
That it would be tight, but in you know, in a crazy abusive situations, you got to do that sometimes. You know?
Yeah. Oh no, you know me, I abuse it.
Dude, look at this thing.
Oh man, You know, I do too. If it was something that was free, you know what I mean? Like, because it's just the front diff or the back diff. They're the same. They're the same.
They got everything in here. If you need.
Yes, it is. Is a Summit 110?
You don't mind if I record? Or...
No, it's all good.
Some people don't like it.
They're gonna start like a lot of
Yeah.
race cars and trucks and stuff like that. I just wish you guys
Dude, look at this thing.
that whole track.
Oh man, you know, I do too. If it was something that was free, you know what I mean? Like, because it's just the front diff or the back diff. They're the same. They're the same.
They got everything in here. If you need your RC fixed.
And oh, I don't have it. I'm out.
Yeah, how much is it?
I can check. Crap, I can't believe I'm out.
I know.
I have them coming in though.
Yeah, that's fine. Could you give me a call when that that drone comes in? My cousin is like she's been eager to buy it.
Sure.
Yeah, she's a graphic designer, and she rides a motorcycle too. But so she's like all into trying to like learn to fly and all that crap.
I got. I want to order. Both with camera and without camera.
Yeah, I want to get the camera myself personally.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to get the one with the camera.
That's okay. I'm gonna try and order in the next week or two. So.
You guys see this drone that Young wants?
Which one?
He'll show you. It has auto stabilizer.
Yeah, I'll show you the drone.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. I don't have that gear right now, dude. I think it might be on the order that I got. Let me just check. That's fine.
That's why I'm gonna. John's getting it.
Oh!
The best thing is that it's got altitude hold. Look.
Really? Oh, so you can keep it in the position.
It's flying itself right now. The only reason it's shifting is because of those fans
Yeah, it's moving the air.
and the heat vent. So look at that. It stays put for the most part.